In this quick video, I want to show you how to pair an Xfinity Comcast remote control to your TV. It's fairly simple to do. So what you're going to do is you're going to point the remote at the TV, and of course you want to make sure you have fresh batteries or working batteries. And what you're going to do is you're going to hold down the setup button, and then you're going to notice that it's going to be red and it's going to change to green on the very top. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold down the setup button until it turns green. All right, it's green, and then we're going to do 991, and then you're going to tap the up channel button 20 times while pointing it directly at the TV. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then from there, you're going to hit the setup button again. You're just going to hold it down, and then that should pair your remote to the TV. For whatever reason, if it doesn't work, instead of doing 991, try 981 and see if it'll start working, but I'm pretty sure that that will work. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.